Good morning everyone. Today is Friday. It is 5:13 in the morning and currently I'm rendering my new videos that I need to upload today. So I have to upload it today before I leave going to work. And yeah, it's really early. I am getting ready for work. Right now, just finishing drinking my coffee, and after drinking my coffee I'm gonna go ahead and shower real quick because it is 5 o'clock already and I'm running out of time. And yesterday I already started setting up my Christmas tree, but I did not finish it because it was late already. I have to go to bed early last night. And yeah, I did set it up already, but I haven't finished it yet. I'm gonna finish it later after my work so that it's set up all the Christmas decoration that I have. I'm getting excited. Actually, I already started it to decorate it. Let's turn on the, oops, I'm just kind of like talk really quiet because they're still sleeping upstairs. So I put a little bit decoration already on the bottom of the skirt, and I put a little bit ornaments already but not finished yet. And I still have, those are trash. I still have some decoration, Christmas decoration over in this box, and another Christmas decoration in this box too, and some of the Christmas lights that I have. So yeah. Hi everyone, so I'm just gonna do a quick video. Dan and mom went outside to grab food for dinner. So I'm just gonna update my Christmas tree that I do a couple days ago, and now I still need what do you call that? More Christmas ornaments to put on my Christmas tree because I haven't finished putting all the ornaments that I have on here. But I'm excited. I'm almost done with the Christmas tree that I set up a couple days ago. And now that's what's look like the Christmas tree now. I add a star on the top already. And yeah, that's what's look like the Christmas tree now. It's a little bit messy down here because I'm not done setting up my Christmas tree yet, but that's what's look like the Christmas tree now. Tomorrow I'm gonna finish it, putting all the ornaments that I have in that corner over there. Okay, and now we're gonna do a quick haul that I bought today before I left from work. So I got Doritos. This is Dan's favorite snacks, chips. He loves those Doritos. And what do you call this? Because I'm off tomorrow and I'm gonna do my nails tomorrow. I'm off for 2 days so I can play with my nails for 2 days. So normally if I want my nails like extra cute and more, extra cute, something like that, so I always use these Keys fake nails. This is what's look like, guys. So I always use this one. I love these when I want my nails a little bit extra cute. So I use this one, and they have different kind of fake nails. You can pick the longer one, the long nails, and the other one too, like a square nail, something like that. And I picked the short square. Can you see that it says short square right here? So I picked this one. I've been using this for like maybe for so long already. If I want again, if I want something like my nails cute, you just glue it to your real nails and it stay longer too. So I love this fake nails. And yeah, I'm gonna paint my nails tomorrow because my nails is like getting ugly already, and my my problem every time we're winter here, my hands is always dry. Even I keep putting lotion every time I wash my hands. After I wash my hands, I put lotion all the time, but it's still super dry. So I want my nails extra cute for my 2 days off, so I'm gonna play with this tomorrow. And I bought these nail polish. This is what's look like, guys. I'm gonna try this color for my fake nails tomorrow. And never tried this one. I just saw it earlier in the store. Nail dryer. I think this kind. I think this one is for after you paint your nail, you spray this and make your nails dry quick. Because every time, my problem is every time I play with my nails, paint my nails, and after like maybe I've been waiting for 20 minutes or 30 minutes already, when I touch everything or something, it's smudge or like damage my nail polish already. So I hate that. So I'm gonna try this. Maybe this is work, and after I after I paint my nails, it's dry quick because of this. I don't know yet. I haven't tried it yet, so we'll figure it out tomorrow. And yeah, that's it for my quick haul. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog. I just want to continue my vlog a couple days ago that I already started, and I want to finish it tonight before I go to bed. I'm gonna upload it right away, and I will see you on my next vlog, guys. Bye.